What's good, YouTube? So today we're Thursday, and here is the idea for a trade on gold. So if we go in the daily, I'm looking for sells. You can see that it's been crashing, but what I really pay interest to is this area of opportunity. You can see that this candle clearly broke this swing low. So I'm looking to get involved to get to this swing low, sorry. So let's go down in time frames. So that's the daily on the 4 hour. What can we see? We can see that there's this 4 hour fair value gap that currently is being respected by this two candle rejection. Now it's entering the area of opportunity. What I want to look for is two bearish order flow legs on lower time frames. So now for my entry, there's two options that I'm looking at right now, and it's either in the 15 minutes, either in the 5 minutes. So if I want to enter, or what's the reason behind wanting to go either in 15 minutes or 5 minutes? Well, y- for that you gotta have a strong knowledge of multi-time frame pairing. So if you are doing your analysis on the daily, say daily, well, you should know that the daily is paired with the 15 minute for the entry. Now, every trader trade very uniquely. I'm not saying everyone does this. This is just what I've been that's what I've tested and back test, and that's what my strategy is based on. It's only personal, so you can do whatever you want. This is how I trade based on what I've tested. And for the 4 hours, it would be the 5 minute, and then the 1 hour would be the 1 minute. There you go. So if I want to get in an entry for the 5 minute, then how can I explain this? Well, we can see that this 4 hour fair value gap has been respected, and this is the current rejection. So if I want to get involved, sorry, it's not the current rejection, but it's the current rejection of this fair value gap. So if I want to get involved, I want to see this low get disrespected and creating new 5 minute fair value gaps underneath that level in order to reach uh, those lows or those ones, or even going down in time frame to find other. Now for the 15 minutes, which is more conservative and um, it's more confirmation. So I would probably wait for the 15 minutes. It is late in the day. It's almost 12. So maybe it's gonna have to wait for tomorrow. But for the 15 minutes, let's go into daily just to understand. Well, this is just piercing through this level, and is the same idea because the market is fractal, which means everything that happens on a time frame you will find in a lower time frame. So it's basically the same idea with the 4 hour and the 5 minute. The daily, you can see it pierce through. So if it goes back below this level and starts creating new 15 fair value gaps that are being respected, I would try to get involved to reach that low. That is a very critical low because this is the previous monthly low. If we go on there, yeah, there you go. You have those news, so we can't really see because of the news thing. Here, if you go on top, you could see that. It's so annoying. But yeah, basically, this is the previous monthly low. One can see that gold has been having difficulties making newer highs, indicating possibly a retracement. So I am still fairly bullish, but at the time, do think that the market needs a little bit of a retracement and more momentum to continue its path towards the upside. So there you go. Now it's just about waiting. All right, so we have our first bearish order flow leg right here. Let's see how it reacts to it. All right, we are back. It is 12:45, and as you can see, the market created this 5-minute bearish fair value gap and proceeded to disrespect it. I waited for this candle because sometimes it takes two candles to reject, and this is a clear sign of a break of structure and also a disrespect of this fair value gap. Now we are past my trading window, so that's gonna be it for the day. No trade, and this is what's the most important aspect of trading: patience and discipline. Profitable traders versus unprofitable traders, the main difference is profitable traders know when to trade and not to trade. Uh, if we go into 15 minutes now, I will be looking tomorrow if we can ideally continue to the downside. If not, if it shows that it wants to go to the upside, then we wait for another opportunity to go bullish. But yes, this is the main thing that you need to do. This is the main component that will make you a profitable trader, is knowing when to trade and knowing not to trade. And for as of now, it was already late. I don't really like to take trades or get in trades at past 12. Usually my best trades are around 9:45 when the bell hit 15 minutes and we have no news. This is ideal for me. So yeah, it was fairly late in the day, so I didn't really like the setup from the get-go, and we just had a confirmation. That's it. It's as simple as that. You wait and you see, you get confirmation, you get in. You have to be as objective as you can be. There's no room and no margin for errors. The market doesn't wait for no one, doesn't care about no one. You need to be patient and trade the highest probabilities setups. That's it. That's your job as a trader. So, yep, that is it for me for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.